In this video, we will share some tips and tricks on how to harvest and store microgreens for maximum freshness. When harvesting microgreens, it's important to start when they reach the ideal height of around 1 to 2 inches. Use sharp scissors to snip off the plants just above the soil level. Be sure to rinse the microgreens in cold water to wash off any excess soil or growing medium. After rinsing, it's important to dry the microgreens thoroughly. You can use a salad spinner or gently pat them dry with a clean towel. Wet microgreens can quickly spoil in storage. For maximum freshness, store microgreens in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Line the container with paper towels to absorb any excess moisture. Microgreens can last up to 2 weeks when stored properly. Now you know how to harvest and store microgreens for maximum freshness. Happy growing!